Hello guys, here are some amazing Rubik's Cube patterns that everyone can make on this Rubik's Cube, and that's I'm going to make, and I will provide the algorithms in the description and in the screen. Okay, let's get started. This is called a super flip pattern, and you can notice all the corners are in their place, but and the edges also in their place, but all are flipped. See, all the edges are flipped, and the corners are in the perfect position, and it is called the super flip pattern. This is called the checkerboard pattern, and here it is. Here it is, and it is just like the checkerboard. This is called the easy checkerboard pattern, and the algorithm is also easy. Here it is the easy checkerboard pattern. It is the wire pattern, and here it is. Here it is like a wire. Here is the tablecloth pattern, and here it is. Here it is like the tablecloth. Here it is a bonus one, and it is called the twisted cube in the big cube, and the algorithm goes like this. See, this is a small cube, and this is like a big cube, and from anywhere you can see this is a small cube and a big cube. If you find this video helpful and interesting, then do like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, and I will upload more videos like this in the near future. Thanks a lot for watching.